In example 3, it says the world's largest basket is a building. Each face of the building is in the shape of a trapezoid. So let's draw that. So we got this trapezoid here. And it says the height of my trapezoid is h. So I'll draw that in. My height is going to be h. And the two bases are h plus 90 and 2h plus 84. And I want to write and simplify an expression to represent the area of one side of the building. Now the formula for a trapezoid is 1/2 times the height times the sum of the bases. So that's what we're going to do. I'm going to say 1/2 times my height, which is h, and one of my bases is h plus 90. My other base is 2h plus 4. So I'm going to add those up. Well, order of operations, do what's inside the parentheses first. So I'll get 1/2 times h, and h plus 2h is 3h, and 90 plus 4 is 94. Then I will distribute, that didn't look very nice there, I'm going to rewrite that. I'm going to distribute my 1/2 h inside. Well, half of 3, we want to write that as a fraction, so we're going to go 3 halves. Multiply your exponents, h times h is h squared. Half of 94 is 47h. There, that's as simple as it gets. Can't combine them because we don't have like terms, so we're done. Now let's take that and let's apply that to example 4. We're only going to do letter A on the video. I'm not going to do letter A in class. On letter A, I want to simplify. Now, there's nothing to simplify on the left, but I can simplify on the right. So I'm going to take -2 times each of these. We can get -2p minus 6. I'm going to take 3, positive 3 times each of these. 3 times 6 is 18p minus 180. Now I can simplify a little bit because notice we get -2 plus 18. That's 16p minus 186 equals -16p. Don't have to simplify the left because it's simplified by itself. Then, to solve this, we do what we normally do. We minus 16p from both sides. And we get -32p equals -186. Well, to solve for p, we'll divide both sides by -32. And use our calculator there. We've got to pull mine out because I don't have it. Well, in fact, let's just use the decimals. We're going to take a -186 divided by -32, which is the same thing as 186 divided by 32. And we get -5.8. Let's write that as a fraction. So positive 93 over 16. And there's your answer. Just divided by 2, right? Okay. Letter B is what we're going to do in class. We're going to distribute on the left side that -2q again. So -2 times positive 4 is -8q squared. Plus 9 times 2 is 18q. Can't simplify that side anymore, can I? So I'll go to the right side. I'll distribute my q. So I get -8q q squared plus 15q. Distribute my negative 3. A negative times a negative is a positive 12q plus 18. Now I can simplify my right side a little bit. I get negative 8q squared. 15 plus 12 is 27q plus 18 equals negative 8q squared plus 18q. Now I want all my letters on one side, so I will add 8q squared to both sides. And notice when you do that, oh, don't have to worry anymore, do you? So we get 18q equals 27q plus 18. So now I want my q's on one side, so I'll subtract 27q from both sides. And we get negative 9q equals positive 18. Divide by negative 9. Q equals negative 2. We could substitute that back in to see if it checks, and you wouldn't have to have any doubt at all. But I'm going to go with Q equals negative 2.